Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we want to check the potential buying or selling opportunity on AUDCAD. So this is the let me check. Okay, this is 20th of September 2022. So let's check. Maybe we'll have a big sell-off on AUDCAD, or we'll have a buying opportunity at that particular area. So let's first take the weekly time frame. If you see the weekly time frame, we have something like we have a buying pressure at this particular area. Then we have a rejection at this resistance level. So after the rejection, we break below this particular support level at this area. We first break above this resistance level. It's a level of resistance before it came to act as the support levels. Then we breaking back to that particular level. Then after a series of movement to the upside, we saw a rejection of this particular candle, which forms a let's say a weekly doji candle at this particular area. And as you all know, doji candle is an indecision candle between the buyers and the seller. So it depends on the candle that close beside it before you can know that okay, maybe you want to buy or you want to sell. So we now have a candle beside it that we don't know, maybe it's going to close bullish or it's going to close bearish. So that's the candle you want to trade right now. So when you go to the daily time frame, let's check. So coming to the daily time frame, we have a reversal pattern at this particular area. The reason why I call this a reversal pattern is because if you check the trend line, we have a multiple rejection at this particular trend line. We have rejection here, we have rejection here, then we have rejection. So here, like we are having a rejection. A rejection is here already. So there are two things that will determine, maybe we'll have a breakout of this particular trend line, or we'll have a move to this to the downside. Maybe we'll have a move to this particular area, or we'll break above this particular, or we'll break above that particular line at that area. So the first thing is let's go to the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, we have a break of structure at this particular area, and then this area is what we call a supply level. We have a supply level at this area that is being rejected. As you can see, this is a live analysis. So we have a structure that's break here, then we have a respect of this supply level. So, and another thing you could see here is that you can see the formation of double top at 4-hour time frame. That is another confirmation. So the first confirmation is the rejection of the trend line. The second one is after the break of structure, we have a respect of this particular trend line at that particular area. Then we have a double top, which might probably take the trend to the downside, because if we see a clear, because we have already seen a clear rejection, so we'll likely break below this 0.8853. So, and there is only one thing that can hinder this trade from selling from massive fall. So that thing is what we call the fundamental analysis. So I think we have some Canadian CPI today. So I think this that's the only thing that can hinder this from selling off massively. So if you want to enter your position, we have like 3 confirmation here, so you can enter and target this particular low at this area, then your take profit should be here. So in case we break above this particular trend, and you know that okay, your trade has been invalidated. And another thing I want to say is that you can wait from now to 1:30 Nigerian time to know maybe okay, you are going to enter this, or you are going to still wait for some time, because we have a Canadian CPI news to be released at 1:30, and it's a high impact news. So me, I will be waiting for 1:30 before I make my decision. Maybe I would enter, or I will still have to wait, because trading is all about waiting. After you've seen those confirmation, you can still wait, or you can still pull in the aggressive entry if you're an aggressive trader. So like this now, if this Canadian CPI comes out let's say better than expected, we should have AUDCAD move to this particular, we should see it break below this 0.885 level, and then obviously we should see it at 0.88. Then we might see a break of this level too, then we'll see a respect of this supporter trend line. But if we see let's say a weaker than expected Canadian CPI, then we can see a break above this particular level. We can have a break above this particular level to the upside. That's when I will change my bias. But for now, my bias is to what? Is to the downside, to this particular level. So we'll break below this particular level, then this level. So if you want to be conservative enough, you can use this level as your first take profit, and this let's say as your second take profit. But if you want to be aggressive, just keep putting your break even at some price level if we are having a continuous selling process. So that is my analysis on AUDCAD. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Maybe we'll have a positive CPI news or a negative CPI news. Don't forget that we have like 3 confirmation of selling at this particular area, so we don't have any confirmation of buying unless we have a negative CPI, and then we have a break above this particular structure to the upside. So that is when we'll have a reason to buy at that particular area. So all the buyers still remain bearish. So this is just for educational purposes, not a financial advice. So you have to do your analysis and see if it fits your entry. So if you are just new to this channel, please click on the subscription button, like and share.